Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how to check your downloaded files location on your iPhone. So you may have downloaded a video or a image from your Safari browser or maybe from your Google browser, and now you are not able to find the images or the videos. So let me show you where you can find it. First, you need to go to your files on your iPhone, and from here you need to choose your browser. So as you can see, it says on my iPhone. Now you tap here once, and as you can see, this download folder, this will be the download folder for your Safari browser. So if you have downloaded something from your Safari, it will store in this folder, and if you have something downloaded from your Google, there will be a separate folder here, and it will say Google, and all the files downloaded from Google will contain in this folder. So yeah, that's how you check your downloaded files on your iPhone. Hope this video helpful. If this video was useful, then please click the like and subscribe.